Okay, is it on? GoPro? Yeah, he's recording. Come on. Let's try and get this Why is a stupid thing to put in?
Down there in front of you on the ground.
Yeah, they're horrible how they designed them. I always forget about it. You can't forget about it. You got no water pressure. That's the problem. Yeah, didn't put it in.
No cooling.
That's right. Get lost, wasp, just slap in. That's all I'm scared of it. Get it in place. Oh, I need some light in there. Where's the way again? Every time it's
Down to the inside near the tray.
Try again. You can't see if it's in. Didn't make it in is the question. The newer boats are designed differently. Let's try again. That's the hardest thing to do, get that in. There it is there. It just flops down, you know what I mean? I think that's good. I think if there's no water pressure, then we'll have to take it off again. There it is. Check the water pressure and tell us if it's in place. Just screw these in.
Always start them by hand.
Otherwise everything has to be started by hand so you don't cross thread anything. Because if you cross thread them it becomes very expensive. You break bolts, you put all four on before you tighten. I believe they're 11 mil. So I don't know, 3/8 or something like that. I'm more used to them, they're thick. Give me the small socket set.
Well, what?
Small sockets. 11. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to put that on. Oh.
Stop recording.
I forgot to put this on. You I forget something.
GoPro turn off.
But GoPro turn off. GoPro stop recording.